Welcome to English Every Day. I'm really glad you're here, Ku. Let's get started.
Hello, and welcome back to our channel.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here today.
If you're new here, please like this video and subscribe. I'm Jamie.
And I'm Taylor. This is a place to practice real English with simple, natural conversations.
Your support means a lot, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today, we'll do a speaking practice together.
We'll talk about something useful, our weekend plans.
Listen, repeat, and then answer for yourself. Ready? Let's speak. So, Taylor, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I think I'm going to relax a little. Maybe sleep more, watch a movie, and drink some coffee. What about you?
Nice. I want to go out. Maybe visit a new cafe, meet a friend, and take a long walk in the park. I really need some fresh air.
That sounds perfect. Do you usually go out on weekends or stay home?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. If I feel tired, I stay home, but if I have energy, I like to explore the city, see new places, and meet people.
I understand. Weekends are for balance, a mix of rest and fun.
Exactly. So, friends watching this, what are your plans for the weekend? Pause the video and try to answer out loud. Speak with us and practice your English. I like weekends.
Weekends help me relax.
Sometimes I stay home.
Sometimes I go out.
I enjoy coffee, music, and long walks.
I like watching movies and meeting friends.
What do you like to do on weekends?
Do you prefer staying home or going out?
Who do you usually spend weekends with? Family, friends, or alone?
And what is one thing you want to do this weekend? Just one small thing. Say it now.
That was great practice today. If you spoke with us, amazing job.
Remember, the goal is not perfect English. The goal is real English spoken out loud.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment your answer, and subscribe.
We'll see you in the next speaking practice. Take care and have a wonderful weekend. Bye, everyone.
Bye, Taylor. Bye, everyone.